Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be explaining how to solve a few logarithm questions found in mathematic Olympiads. So first, take a look at this question. If log base 2 of x to the power of log base 2 of log base 2 of x is equal to 16 and log is bigger than and x is bigger than 0, what is x equal to? So first, how to solve this question. First, we have to recall a few logarithm rules. So the power rule of logarithm states that, for example, take log base a of m to the power of n. The exponent on m can also be written in front, which is now n log base a of m, when a is bigger than 0 and not equal to 1. Recall the inverse properties of exponent in logarithm. So now, for example, a to the power of log base a of x is equal to x, and log base a of a to the power of x is equal to x. Now, a few approaches for that question might be, if the question looks too complicated, first we have to simplify it. Step 1 is to let y be equal to log base 2 of x. So instead of log base 2 of x to the power of log base 2 of log base 2 of x equals 16, we get y to the power of log base 2 of y equals 16, which is a lot cleaner and simpler. In step 2, apply log base 2 to both sides. So now on the left we get log base 2 of y to the power of log base 2 of y is equal to log base 2 of 16. So step 3 here would be to use the power rule of logarithm. So instead of log base 2 of y to the power of 2, we get 4. And if you apply the square root to both sides, we get log base 2 of y is equal to plus or minus 2. So y is equal to 4 or 1/4. Now we can substitute it again just to verify which one's right. And when log base 2 of x is equal to 4, then x is equal to 2 to the power of 4, which is 16. When log base 2 of x is equal to 1/4, x is equal to 2 to the power of 1/4, which is the fourth root of 2. Now, because we verified, both results are the correct answer. Now, try this next question. If log base x of y is equal to 4, and log base 4x of 4y is equal to 2, and x is bigger than 0, x is equal to 1, y is bigger than 0, then what is log base 8x of 8y? So to solve the question, first we have to recall the product rule of logarithm, which states that log base b of mn is equal to log base b of m plus log base b of n, when b is bigger than 0, not equal to 1, and m and n are bigger than 0. Second, we also have to recall the change of base rule, which states that log base b of a is equal to log base c of a over log base c of b. And its derivation, log base b to the power of n of a to the power of m is equal to m over n log base b of a. A few approaches might be, one way to solve it is to find the x and y first, then calculate the results. And another is to use the logarithm rules to simplify it. So step 1 here is to use both informations and simplify them. So by finding x and y. So first, log base x of y is 4, and log base 4x of 4 is 2. So now log base x of y is 4, can also be written as x to the power of 4 equals y. And the second one can also be written as 4x to the power of 2 is equal to 4y. Now, 4x to the power of 2 can also be written as 16x to the power of 2. And if you multiply both sides by 4, 4x to the power of 4 is equal to 4y. And here that we have 4y, so both equations are equal. So now we can write 16 times x to the power of 2 is equal to 4 times x to the power of 4. Now, if we simplify this equation, we get x is equal to 2. And if x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 16. Now, step 2, it would be to replace x and y. So instead of this, we get this. So, and also the log base 16 of 2 to the power of 7 can also be written as log base 2 to the power of 4 of 2 to the power of 7, which is equal to 7 over 4 times log base 2 of 2. Now, this, because log base 2 of 2 is equal to 1, we can cancel this out, so we're only left with 7 over 4, which is our answer. Now, the second method would be to use both informations and directly simplify them. So log base x of y is equal to 4 can also be written as log y over log x is equal to 4, which is also log y equals 4 log x when you multiply both sides by log x. So the second information can also be written as log 4y over log 4x is equal to 2, which when you simplify it gives us log 4 plus log y over log 4 plus log x is equal to 2. And because we know log y is equal to 4 log x, we can replace log y by 4 log x. So now log 4 plus 4 log x over log 4 plus log x gives us 2. So log x is equal to log 2. Log y is equal to 4 log 2. And yeah. So now we're going to find what we're asked to find, which is log base 8x of 8y. This can also be written as log 8 plus log y over log 8 plus log x. And the 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, which is also 3 log 2. And the y, as previously proved, is equal to 4 log 2. And the x is equal to log x is equal to log 2. So now we get this expression when we simplify it. And 3 plus 2 gives us 7. And 3 plus 1 gives us 4. We can cancel out the logs. And now 7 over 4 is our final answer. Thank you very much for watching. And if there's some unclear parts or questions you have, don't hesitate to ask. And see you next time.